I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning.
I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning.
I turn off my alarm.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I study in class.
I study in class.
I play with friends.
I play with friends.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I have dinner.
I have dinner.
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I ride my bike.
I ride my bike.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I play games.
I play games.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I call my friends.
I call my friends.
I draw paintings.
I draw paintings.
I eat snacks.
I eat snacks.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed.
Share your lunch.
Share your lunch.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
I am going with my parents.
I am going with my parents.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep.
I am eating cake.
I am eating cake.
I watch cartoons.
I watch cartoons.
I go for a walk.
I go for a walk.
I feed the pets.
I feed the pets.
I feed chicken.
I feed chicken.
I practice math.
I practice math.
I prepare for bed.
I prepare for bed.
I brush my hair.
I brush my hair.
I say good night.
I say good night.
I set my alarm.
I set my alarm.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I check my homework.
I check my homework.
I pack my lunch.
I pack my lunch.
I chat with my classmates.
I chat with my classmates.
I ride the bus to school.
I ride the bus to school.
I play sports after school.
I play sports after school.
I go to the library.
I go to the library.
I visit my grandparents.
I visit my grandparents.
I practice spelling.
I practice spelling.
I go shopping with my mom.
I go shopping with my mom.
I help cook dinner.
I help cook dinner.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I play outside.
I play outside.
I enjoy family game night.
I enjoy family game night.